It's always important to be appreciative of colleagues who offer help whenever you need it, but you also have to be mindful of other colleagues who have different intentions. These are colleagues, and you know them. A lot of them are like this, who tend to dip their noses into everything that you do. They nitpick on every slide that you make. They criticize your work. It comes at the guise of wanting to help, but really all that they want is to make themselves feel superior, that they are correct all the time, and it comes at the cost of implying that you're wrong, which demoralizes you. So you have to set some healthy boundaries. You have to push back. Whenever the situation happens, I'd say something like, Sheila, thank you for this tip. I'll consider your help. If I need further assistance, I will let you know. Or I'd say something like, Michael, thank you for that idea, but I think I got this. I'll prefer to do an alternative route instead. So setting healthy boundaries isn't about not wanting to socialize with others. It's about creating your own space so you can stimulate your own autonomy and creativity.